Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Thursday, January 22nd, 2026. A proposal goes live to activate the Aztec network token generation event. JP Morgan launches a tokenized fund on Ethereum. Optimism's OP buyback proposal goes live. And Ben Eddington joins the Ethereum Foundation. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Archive, an Ethereum-aligned data layer for Web3. Archive merges the guarantees of blockchain with the performance and flexibility of traditional databases. Find out more at archive.network/daily. A new Aztec network governance proposal is now live, seeking to activate the protocol's token generation event. If approved, the proposal would unlock 100% of token sale allocations as early as February 11th at 14 UTC. It would also make accrued staking rewards claimable and launch trading on the Uniswap V4 pool. To advance to an on-chain vote, 600 of 1,000 Aztec sequencers must first signal support. The proposal would then move to a community vote via the governance dashboard, open exclusively to token sale participants. Aztec Network raised 19,000 Ether on its token sale using Uniswap's continuous clearing auctions mechanism. JP Morgan's tokenized money market fund, coined the My On-Chain Net Yield Fund or Money, is now live on Ethereum mainnet and tracked on RWA.xyz. The fund invests in low-risk, short-term assets such as U.S. Treasury securities and repurchase agreements. The fund holds over $100 million in U.S. Treasuries. Built on JP Morgan's in-house digital assets platform, Money is available only to qualified institutional and high-net-worth investors. The minimum investment is $1 million. Investors can subscribe and redeem using cash or stablecoins like USDC, receiving tokenized shares delivered directly to their crypto wallets on Ethereum. An Optimism Foundation proposal seeking to direct 50% of incoming superchain revenue towards OP token buybacks is now open for voting. If approved, the foundation will launch a 12-month buyback program starting in February using 50% of January's revenue. The foundation will coordinate with an OTC provider to set up automatic monthly ETH to OP conversions. The initiative aims to align the token's value with the superchain growth. Governance will later decide whether to burn or redistribute the purchased tokens. In the past year, the superchain has collected 5,800 Ether in revenue. Voting for the proposal ends on January 28th. And lastly, Ben Eddington, a former Ethereum client developer and former lead at OP Labs, has joined the Ethereum Foundation, where he will now focus on bringing fast finality to Ethereum mainnet. He left OP Labs nearly a year ago. Eddington is also the author of the Upgrading Ethereum ETH 2.0 book, a 300-page technical handbook that has been documenting Ethereum upgrades since 2021. In other news, Privacy Pools goes live on Starknet and Superstate raises an $82 million Series B funding round. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethddaily.io.